Hi, this is Puneet,
This is Chaitra.
and we own this beautiful house. And today we wanted to provide our honest feedback about Kasha Designs, our interior designer. We got to know about Kasha Designs through one of our mutual friend, and initially we were a little bit hesitant because they were very new to the market, but still we thought of giving a try, and we met with Mr. Shambhu, who is the proprietor of Kasha Designs, and he helped us understand about the projects which he is doing and the kind of materials they use. Basically, he gave us a brief of whatever goes to an interior project, and we were pretty happy with whatever he explained to us, and we really wanted to take the projects which he was working on or he has already worked on. And so we personally did go visit a couple of sites where they had worked on, and also one site where they're currently working on. That helped us to get that confidence to go ahead with Kasha Designs. Mr. Shambhu and Miss Pavitra visited our flat to understand our requirements, and we were pretty much clear about what we wanted. So based on that, they came up with the 2D diagrams, and once the 2D diagrams were handed over to us, we did suggest few changes which they were very happy to incorporate, and came up with the final 2D diagrams was finalized. We were taken to the outlets to choose the colors. There are a wide range of colors which were available in the market, but they did help us to choose the right colors based on our requirements, and this did help us save a lot of time, and we never had to run back to the outlets every now and then. So once we finalized the colors, they came up with the 3D, and the 3D looked so good, and we were very happy looking at the 3D. And I was eager to know how much of this 3D rendering would materialize into the actual project. So project started. I had to fly back to US, and my wife with a toddler at home, she could visit the site very often, but they ensured that they sent us the daily updates with whatever was going on at the site.
This is one of my favorite places at home because we had exact same setup in the US. I wanted to recreate this particular space here at my house. So I'm very happy with what they delivered to us. Thank you so much.
Also, during the project, we were very much happy to incorporate the changes on the fly. For example, we did not want to go ahead with the rafters, which is way too common nowadays, and they suggested us to go with the charcoal panels, and we did agree for that. The project was handed over to us on time. The final project was way more beautiful than the 3D images which they had shown. Finally, I would like to thank Ms. Pavitra and Mr. Shambhu for going beyond their comfort zone and also taking care of the work which was not there in their scope, and helping us deliver this wonderful project. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot.